The righteousness will bring peace, yes, it will bring quietness and confidence forever. Mufareh is the source of light in OnPASSIVE. OnPASSIVE is the light. The correction of the corruption and is gonna irritate a whole lot of unhealed people, especially the big companies in this online world. Brevity is the soul of wit. That's how I defined you, my precious CEO Mr. Ash. You have the power of expressing much in just a few words. I can read you in between the line of your words most of the time since 2019 when I signed up Gofounders and attend our webinars. The reason why I am joyfully patient in waiting for launching even forever, my beloved founder of OnPASSIVE, to be honest, you changed my life already and a whole bunch of founders as well. The rewards is so sweet, much appreciation and gratitude to you forever. I am so blessed. Della Sale.